Bakhair Ali Tasotol, welcome back to my channel Libas Tutorial. I'm seeing how much love you guys are giving me. This really means a lot to me. Honestly, this means a lot to me. I have succeeded 200 subscribers, Alhamdulillah, which is really unbelievable for me because I never thought that I'll even get a single subscriber, as there are many more talented makeup artists out there. Thank you so much for supporting me and for liking my work. It really means a lot. So I thought, why not to make a new tutorial as a thank you gift for you all. So this makeup tutorial is based on pink tones, which I haven't created in a while. So this is what I'll create in this video. So let's get started. As you guys can see, I'm done with my foundation. So for making my foundation, first of all, I used 24K Golden Roses Serum by Beautify by Amna. As everyone asks me why I always use 24K Golden Roses Serum by Beautify by Amna, they ask me what is the reason. Am I advertising their serum? Am I advertising their product? No, it's not like that. It's not like that. Basically, I use it. First of all, my skin is really dry in winters, as you all know. I've told you many times. I use their serum to make my skin deeply moisturized. And the second reason is that when I apply this serum, my foundation sticks more than it usually does. And honestly, by each passing time, by each passing hour, my makeup looks really glowy and moisturized. I'm that kind of person. If I don't like a thing, I won't advertise it in front of you guys because I want to be really honest with you guys. I'm trying to guide you guys. So why would I misguide you? The second thing I used after the serum is Beautify by Amna's Pore Fit Primer, and honestly it has my heart. Whenever I applied it, instantly fills up my pores and give my skin a really soft texture. So for my foundation, I used the Body Shop Extra Virgin Mineral Foundation in color 102. I only use this foundation in winters because it has very glossy finish and it only looks good on me in winters. For concealer, I only use NARS concealer. They're one of my favorite concealer, as I'm a heavy coverage foundation person, so I like their coverage and it really masks my skin a lot. So for contouring, I used a contouring kit. I don't know the company exact, and along with that I used Beautify by Amna's brushes for contouring and blending my base. So for this pinkish look, I'm using the Magic by Juvia's palette along with my Huda's Beauty Rose Gold palette. In my outer corners, I'm using this Koji pink color. I'll also use this color in my crease. In my outer corner, I'm using Bossy color from Huda's Beauty Rose Gold palette. So on my lower lash line, I'm using Cocoa color from Huda's Beauty Rose Gold palette. On top of this color, I'll be using Angelic from Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. Inner corners, I'm using Moon Dust color from Huda's Beauty Rose Gold palette. I put Stage 9 glitter dust on my lid and the number is 07. I'll use Moon Dust color under my eyebrows. As I'm not using eyeliner, so I plan to apply these heavy regal lashes, which I'm in love with them, which are by The Lash Bar. I'm using Spectre color from Urban Decay's Moon Dust palette on my lower lash line. I'm done with my eyes, so I'm applying Luna highlighter from Anastasia Aurora Glow Kit. For my blusher, I'm using Rivat's what? Professional Makeup blusher. I'll be using this color. On apple of my cheeks, I'll be applying Baked Blush by Beauty UK. For my lips, I'll be using the Balm's liquid lipstick in color Brilliant. of look which I'll wear if I go to a birthday party or a get together with my girls. Just kidding. I'm that kind of person who wears a moisturizer and goes out to the party. So this is what I have created. I hope you guys have learned something so you guys can try it on yourselves. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and please subscribe down below because many more videos are coming soon. Thanks for watching. I love you all and take care. Allah Hafiz.